Hello guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we will install Jenkins on Linux Red Hat machine. So here you are seeing official websites of Jenkins where we will follow the installation command. Here you can see Linux options. In Linux options, we have multiple operating systems like Fedora, Red Hat, and Debian. So these are the hardware requirements, minimum hardware requirements. It is mandatory, it should be available in your system. So it's 256 MB RAM and 1 GB hard drive space. It is minimum requirements. So without this minimum requirement you can't install Jenkins on your system. And the next is recommended by Jenkins. So it is 1 GB RAM and 50 GB hard drive space. So it is recommended by Jenkins. And now we are going to check Red Hat commands. You can click on Red Hat and directly go to the commands. Let me click on this. Here you are seeing some commands that we will use in Red Hat machine. So these are the commands we will use, and this is my EC2 Linux machine Red Hat operating system. You can see here I have created from AWS. So let me log in with sudo user, root user. So first of all we will update the system. So all the packages will be updated. We need to update all the packages here. So the command is sudo dnf update. It will take some time to install depending on your internet speed. So it is installing right now. Yeah, it's installed. Let me clear the screen. And now here is, you can see wget and some URL. So first of all we need to install wget in our system. So let me run this command, sudo yum install wget. Yeah, it's installed. Let me clear the screen. Now you have to copy all these commands into your notepad. Any notepad you can choose and paste it here, and you have to modify this command little bit. You have to only remove this slash before https and paste it here. Yeah, it runs successfully, you can see. Now we have to run next command, sudo rpm import. Basically this command will import the key from the Jenkins. It's also successfully installed. We do not need to run this command because we already run sudo dnf update. Now we have to run this command, install the JDK 1.8. It's mandatory because Jenkins is developed on Java, so Java is mandatory in your system. So it will take some time to install. Let me clear the screen once again. So here we can go scroll down and let's start the Jenkins. Yeah, now we have to check the Jenkins is started or not. For this we have to check the status. It's running. You can see here green message, active running. Now we have to check on our browser Jenkins is running or not. So let me copy my URL from AWS and paste it in the browser, and port should be 8080. It is default port for Jenkins. you can't run on another port. So we have required administrator password here. Let me copy this command and run in our Linux machine. Sudo cat, it will display your initial password, initial admin password. You have to copy this password. Let me copy this password from here and paste it in the text field, administrator password text field, and click on continue. You will see a screen where you need to install some plugins, so you can choose any options. Let me install suggested plugin. Here plugin will start automatically. You can see it will take some time to install, and these are the suggested plugins by Jenkins, like pipeline, git, LDAP, email, build, timeout, and folders. So these are the plugins that is maybe required or non-required while creating or building jobs in Jenkins. So it will take some time to install. Yeah, it's installed, I think so. So here you are seeing create your admin user. So let me create this. Give it any password. It should be minimum 8 character. Confirm your password. Give it any full name here. My name is Pradeep, so I'm giving Pradeep here. Give it any email ID. Click on save and continue. So this is the current URL of your Jenkins. You can see start using Jenkins. So Jenkins is ready, guys. Congratulations. Now we can use Jenkins. We can create jobs. We can check. We can install plugins. So let me show you first how to create a job. Click on new, and here are some options: pipeline, freestyle project, GitHub project. So let me give any name and click on freestyle project and click on OK. So here you will see we can build a job. So first we have to create a job here, and these are options. You can choose your Git library path in source code management. So all these options are available as per your requirement. You can check one by one on Google how these options will work, and let me show you how we can. If you want to install a new plugin, here you can see your first job has been created, and let me show you how we can install Jenkins plugins. Go to manage Jenkins and update plugins. So here you can see updates are not available right now. In these options you will install any latest plugin, enter any keyword in search text box. The plugin will display automatically, and install plugin, all the plugins on your Jenkins machines. These are the plugins installed on your Jenkins machines. So I hope guys you understand. Thank you so much. Thank you.